Have you ever set a goal, worked really hard toward it, but still fell short through no fault of your own? If so, you might be focusing on the wrong type of goal entirely. Hey everybody, it's Tom with your Mental Fitness Technique of the Week, 2 types of goals for success. My hunch is that just about every one of you who watches these videos on a weekly basis is a strong proponent of personal growth and development. You want to be the best you can be in the important areas of your life. If that's true, my guess is you probably set many goals in your life. In this video, I want to share with you the 2 types of goals I believe that are critical for your success: outcome goals and process goals. An outcome goal might be something like buy a house within 2 years, become valedictorian of my class, complete a half marathon in under 2 hours and 15 minutes. Those are great goals, but here's the problem. You don't have complete control over the outcome. For the first one, interest rates may be way too high in 2 years to be able to afford a mortgage. For the valedictorian one, you might have someone smarter than you in your class. And for the half marathon, you could get injured or have bad weather on the day of the race, which prevents you from hitting that time. So this is where process goals come in. Process goals focuses on what you can control. If your outcome goal is buying that house in 2 years, what's a process goal that could help you get there? Maybe it's to have $400 each paycheck automatically transferred to a dedicated house fund. Or, using our valedictorian example, a process goal to support that might be study a minimum of 2 hours every weekday evening from 7 to 9 in a distraction-free environment. And finally, for a half marathon goal, I might have something like run 4 times a week, following a structured training plan, logging every run with distance and time, without skipping more than 1 planned run per month. Why do we have both outcome and process goals? Well, it's good to have an outcome goal in mind so you know what you're ultimately looking to accomplish. But your daily focus should be on those process goals. Why? Because that's what you have complete control over. And here's the beautiful thing. If you consistently hit those process goals, you're giving yourself the best chance to achieve that outcome goal. The process goal gives you those specific daily steps and improvements that you need to take. It breaks down that big, sometimes overwhelming outcome goal into manageable daily steps. Well, that's your Mental Fitness Technique of the Week. 2 types of goals for success.